Okay, I want to show you a really close-up of what I'm doing when I'm washing the windows and how I hold my hand. So, I've got the razor here. I put my hand just like this. See? Don't put it in front of the blade. It's like this. Now, I'm going to go slow. Usually I go really fast like that, but I'm going to go slow. You can see how my hand isn't really touching the blade or near the blade. It's just holding the paint. See, it collects the paint. See that? How it just collects the paint up. See that? Now my normal speed is I go faster. Now I'm pushing down the paint and holding it. I just wanted to make this quick video to show you that you don't want to put your hand in front of the blade. You just collect it up. And then you have your container and you just drop it in and start over.